Hi guys, it's Hannah here. I have a very special song for you today because today is the 1 year anniversary of the start of my adventure. Me and 11 other people gone on an airplane today last year and went to LA to pursue our dreams. And it's actually crazy because today, exactly a year later, I'm getting in my car and I'm going back out to Los Angeles to continue to pursue my dreams. So one thing I learned over the past year is one of the many things is to never give up. So I'm not doing it. And I have a song today for all of you and for my 11 other great friends. And it means a lot to me, and I'm sure you guys can probably guess what it is, but I hope you guys enjoy. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel you're so paper thin, like a house of cards, one blow from caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under screens, but no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you, 'cause there's a spark in you? You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night like the 4th of July. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you're worth. Make 'em go, oh, 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 as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go, oh, oh, oh. You're gonna leave 'em going, oh, oh, oh. Boom, 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 even brighter than the moon, moon, moon. It's always been inside of you, you, you. Now it's time you let it through. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you're worth. Make 'em go, oh, 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 as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go, oh, oh, oh. You're gonna leave 'em going, oh, oh, oh. Boom, 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 even brighter than the moon, moon, moon. Boom, 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 even brighter than the moon, moon, moon. Yay! Hope you guys enjoy, and Los Angeles, I will be seeing you